In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. Changing your profile picture on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process that allows you to personalize your presence and make it easier for colleagues to recognize you in chats, meetings, and calls. Whether you're using the desktop application or the web version of Teams, the initial steps are very similar. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Microsoft Teams interface. Once you're there, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your current profile icon. It might display your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture before, or it will show your existing profile photo. This icon is your gateway to accessing various settings, including your status, availability, and of course your personal profile information. Take a moment to locate it clearly. When you find it, simply click on this profile icon. A drop-down menu will then appear, presenting you with several options related to your account and general settings. This is the first crucial step to updating your visual identity within Teams, ensuring you present yourself exactly as you intend to. Once you've successfully clicked on your profile icon in the upper right corner, a comprehensive drop-down menu will unfold. Within this menu, you'll see various options such as your current availability status, organizational details, and access to more in-depth settings. More importantly for our task today, you'll prominently notice your current profile picture or initials displayed at the very top of this menu. Superimposed on or positioned very close to this display picture, you will find a small camera icon. This little camera icon is your direct access point to initiating the profile picture change process. It's intuitively designed, signaling that clicking it will allow you to modify your photo. Go ahead and click on this camera icon now. Upon clicking it, a new window or panel will typically pop up. This new interface is dedicated solely to managing your profile photo within Microsoft Teams, designed to guide you through selecting, uploading, and even making minor adjustments to your new picture. This is where the magic begins, preparing you for the next stage of choosing your desired image. Now that you've clicked the camera icon, you should see a dedicated window or panel open up, specifically for managing your profile picture. Within this interface, you'll be presented with options, often including Upload Picture, Upload New Photo, or Change Picture. Click on this button to initiate the upload process. This action will prompt your operating system's File Explorer or Finder window to open, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders and select the image file you wish to use as your new profile picture. As a helpful tip, choose an image that is clear, well-lit, and appropriate for your context, especially if this is for a professional setting. Once you've selected your desired image, you might then be given the opportunity to make minor adjustments. This commonly includes resizing, cropping, or rotating the picture to ensure it fits perfectly within the circular profile frame that Microsoft Teams uses. Take a moment to review the preview to ensure your face is centered and the image looks exactly as you want it to appear. Finally, once you're completely satisfied with the preview and any adjustments, locate and click the Save or Done button, typically found at the bottom of this panel. Clicking this will confirm your selection and officially apply the new profile picture to your Microsoft Teams account. Your updated image should appear almost instantly in the upper right-hand corner of your Teams interface, and soon after across all your chats and meetings for your colleagues to see. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to update your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize your Teams experience and ensure your colleagues can easily identify you, adding a touch of personality to your digital workspace. Remember, you can revisit these steps anytime you wish to change your profile picture again, whether you're updating it for a new professional look, celebrating a personal milestone, or simply want a fresh image. Keeping your profile picture current and appropriate helps maintain a professional and engaging presence within your team and organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Microsoft Teams settings. Feel free to explore other customization options available to make your Teams experience even better.